come out here and do a little bit of scouting. In the beginning of April, I have a quota hunt, a turkey hunt coming up. And, I'm just going to come out here and do a little bit of walking around. Go to some spots where I've seen turkeys out here before, see if there's any fresh sign. Go out here and see if we can hear some fly down. The wind's kind of blowing hard, so it's probably going to be hard to hear anything. But you can see here, we're starting to break a little bit of daylight back there. So now I'm just going to ease down in here, walk around. I ain't going to spend a whole lot of time in here. I want to get on down in here, hit these little areas up. Maybe I'm going to look for some sheds while I'm out here. There's another reason why I'm out here. But main thing is I got to figure out where this turkey sign is, and then we can get ready for turkey season. I just hit the pot call real quick, and I heard one gobble right off in here. So they're not being too quiet this morning. That's pretty good. This here is private land right here. Well, there's only about 20, 30 yards of the woods right here on the other side of the road that's public. And then it turns into private. I don't know if you can hear it or not. What I'm going to do is hit the pot call a few more times, see if I can't get him to talk to us. I said, I got my mic on, but what I'm afraid of is you might not be able to hear it. You're going to hear me, but you might not be able to hear him. He just hammered again. He sounds like he's good. He just went again. He's pretty good ways away. Oh, he's lit up now. He just went off again. There's another one. Oh yeah, he's fired up. There, he just went off. He just hammered again. Boy, he's lit up out there. It sounds like there's more than one in there, because unless he's walking in circles or he's probably still on the roost, but it sounds like there's one a little bit further away. Should have brought my big, yeah, he's right there. I wish I'd have brought my big camera so I could have used the boom mic to hear it better. Mark it on the map, that way when we boy, he's hammering back there. Sounds like it's getting closer. I want to leave these gobblers right here, leave them alone. They're either working their way here. I'm trying to get out of here before they bust me. But it sounded like there was at least two of them in there. Sounded a lot more, but And I'm gonna get away from this area, get them down in here, see if we can't find some more, and we'll go from there. I don't know how much longer I'm gonna be walking around out here, because you can see it looks like we're fixing to get wet. I've been walking through. I haven't heard any more turkeys, but I have found some more spots that's gonna be good for hunting, deer hunting and hog hunting. I hadn't found any sheds or nothing. Just wanted to check in, you know, because I've hit the pot call a few times. Haven't heard any. I haven't even seen no turkey sign. Everything, you know, which I'm a long ways away from where I've always seen the turkeys. I just got on a daggum tangent of walking. Like I said, I'm gonna have to make it back around, and I do need to get back over there where I've always seen the turkeys at out here. But you know, and I wanted to do a few things today. Try out this camera, you know, see how this thing works and looks. It's not gonna be a good camera for hunting, like when I'm in the tree and when I'm actually hunting, but I will be able to take some very good pictures, and like when I'm doing things like this right here, you know, and I could use it instead of my big camera. But the main thing is I'm gonna better up the game on the pictures, and when we doing reviews and stuff like that, this camera will be awesome. Which, you know, and I'm hoping it looks pretty good. I had to run back up to the truck. It started raining. It's sprinkling at the moment, but I want to try to hit this pot call a few more times. Those turkeys that I found this morning, or heard gobbling this morning, was like back that way behind the camera. Before I cranked the truck up and all that, I want to see if I can hear them again. I don't hear nothing. Where's my guess? Back that way. There's like an old plant or something. I don't know exactly what's back in there, but on that private land. And then looking at it on the map, there's a bunch of fields on it. So that's probably where, when they got down, they probably went straight over there. When the season comes in, I'm gonna have to figure out how to draw them back across there. Which, last deer season, when I was down in here hunting, there was one point I was sitting in the tree and there was 18 gobblers all in a group come through, and they all come through and come back towards where these is at. I mean, that was months ago, but coming in when we hunting and all, I've seen quite a few hens on crossing the road right here. So these woods right here, I'm guessing holds up some hens. There's a road right down here that shoots off in there. It's an access pass. I've walked down in there before and jumped up some hens. So this area right here holds turkeys in it pretty good. But what we're gonna have to do is come in here and figure out how to get those turkeys off of the private land, or get those gobblers off of the private land over here onto the public. Well, either way, I'm gonna try to start doing some of these little short videos like this until we get back into turkey season. Though I don't want to bore everybody, I don't want to bore people too much with just a bunch of talking and walking around, pretty much. And that's why I didn't do a whole lot of recording out here. But I did. We found some gobblers this morning. I got some other places I need to go check and stuff like that. And but for today, it's fixing to, the clouds are getting darker and darker. It was supposed to start raining about lunchtime. It just blew in a little early. But like I said, I'm gonna start trying to do like some little 5-minute videos just to pass time until turkey season comes in. And then when turkey season comes in, you know, and we're gonna be full-fledged turkey hunting. And I say that here before we go too far. This will be my first. This is my 3rd year turkey hunting, to the sense of being dedicated. I've turkey hunted periodically over the years, but I've never done anything. So I mean, these past 3 years, this is my 3rd season actually trying to kill a turkey. But I still get in to where about lunchtime, I give up on the turkeys and start hunting hogs. It's just the way I am. I don't understand it, you know. And if I get out here like today, I come out here to find turkeys and ended up just looking at all the deer sign and hog sign. But either way, you know, and this will be, if I could shoot one, be my first turkey on public. And then I'm giving myself a bad challenge, a good challenge, as in we're gonna do it all with a bow. Try to. But either way, we appreciate y'all watching. Stay tuned. We'll catch you on the next video.